Hey everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with this video that's really important. It is about dealing with frustrations of couponing. I want to emphasize this is not bashing any rebate apps or any stores or anything. I'm just giving a personal experience and hoping that I can kind of encourage some of you that don't give up on couponing when days like this happen. And I just want to emphasize these kind of things happen to me from time to time. And it's really annoying because when you take the time to get your deals together and things like this happen, it just feels like a waste. But we have more better times couponing than not. I just want to put this out here because I'm sure this happened to many of you today as well. Yeah, if you knew about the deal. So first up, checkout 51 this morning. They put up this a bunch of rebates for these dry spray deodorants. We had $5.55 on a Dove women's spray, $5.55 on a men's spray, $4.75 on a men's dry spray, $4.75 on Degree women's, and then $5.45 on an Axe dry spray. These rebates were at Walmart and ended up making them all like 3 cents a piece, which is crazy. I was so excited. I really love these deodorants. They're my favorite kind, the spray ones. So I was like, I'm going to go to Walmart tomorrow after school and I'm going to stock up and get these for free. I was so excited to be able to get them for free. So, I go to school this morning. I couldn't go before school. I had to be at school, had class, came home. I knew my mom was going to Walmart at around 2 this afternoon. So I was just like, I'll just wait and go with her. So, yeah, when it was about time for us to leave to go to the store, wonderful Ohio, right? We get this downpour of rain, like crazy rain. So we were stuck in the house for another 20 minutes before we could actually go to the store. And usually this wouldn't matter, but the reason it mattered is I got this picture on my phone. It said, actually, the Dove men and the Degree men were gone. The Dove women's and Axe dry spray still said very few quantities left or some error message like that. And then the Degree for women didn't say anything. It was still there. So I was like, oh my gosh, these rebates went up at 12 a.m. Eastern time and they're gone already almost. I just couldn't get over that. That was really frustrating to me. I'm happy for any of you who were able to go out and get them because this is a really good deal, and I wish I would have went out earlier, but I just didn't see the way since I had to be at school this morning. But it's not fair. It just didn't feel fair. But this is not slamming checkout 51. I appreciate they put the rebate up at all for some people who were able to get it. Awesome. So anyways, Ohio downpour of rain, just to add into the mix of it. It finally slacks off a little bit. Make it to Walmart. When I got to Walmart, Dove women and Axe dry spray deodorants were now gone. The only one there was for the Degree women, which honestly, that does me no good. I am a man, so I do prefer the men's deodorant. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the women's deodorant, but I prefer the way the men's ones smell and everything. So I like those ones better. But anyways, I was just going to give them to my grandma. I was actually successful in getting her that, but it's just annoying because I was so excited to get the other deodorants for free. But I didn't. So I was like, you know what? No deodorant. We're just going to move on and we're going to get the other stuff on my list. So, yeah, I needed 4 more rebates to hit my level 1 for September. So I was excited to get that. I was like, you know what? We're going to do that. I had on the list the Playtex Simply tampons we've been getting for free. I always donate those to people, so I like to get them and have them to give away. Honestly, I was getting because they're a moneymaker. That was the main reason. They're a moneymaker and they counted for Ibotta. So that's why I was getting them. Until here, obviously, I didn't get the Playtex. My store was wiped clean. So first up, I have this trip planned out. I'm going to get this deodorant. I'm going to get the Playtex. It's a big moneymaker. I took the time and printed off the coupons. I'm going to get my Ibotta bonus, and now I just come to a blank. They're out of the Playtex. There goes my overage, and I had no idea what else to get, so no Playtex. But you know what? I was still trying to be optimistic. I thought, I am going to go get the Hellmann's mayonnaise and ketchup deal. That's a freebie, and it's a nice thing to have. I wanted something to turn this trip around. Like, I wanted one really good Ibotta deal. So I go over to the Hellmann's ketchup. Lo and behold, They only had the one that was $3.98. They were all out of the $2.48 one. And obviously, if you know about the deal, I didn't want that. That wasn't that good of a price for me. It still worked out to be like 50 cents each, which in reality, that's not bad. But I didn't want it. I have plenty of ketchup and mayonnaise. I'm just getting it to either one, donate, or two, because it was free. Actually, it's a moneymaker. That's the reason. But yeah, this trip, my gosh, this trip was awful. I did leave with the degree deodorant, the one deodorant, the ladies deodorant, so that was all right, I guess. And I got the bananas that are free with coupons.com app. The main reason I did this wasn't to slam Walmart's stock people or to blame Checkout 51 because it's not their fault. This is just life. I don't want you to ever think my trip turned out perfect. I was like so excited to share with you all this great haul today. That just didn't happen. Was not happening. But I moved forward. I just gave up at that point. I was like, I'm not getting 4 Ibottas here today. I'm just done. So I left Walmart with the degree and the bananas. They were all free pretty much, so that was a nice deal. And yeah, I'm glad I got that at least. So I want to emphasize a few points. I didn't do this video just to share my horrible experience, which I'm sure many of you like to hear about because it lets you know that couponing is not ever going to work out perfect depending on how long you've done it or how well you are at it. I know many of you think I'm really good at couponing, which I mean, I guess I am, but it still doesn't mean it turns out perfect for me. It's just the way it goes sometimes. We have these bad days. Now, there are definitely, like I said, there's way more better times than these horrible trips, but this is just how it goes. And it could have been worse. I mean, there's even worse experiences than this. There are other frustrations, including beeping coupons, horrible cashiers who don't even understand the policy. Oh my gosh, other things like Ibotta rebates randomly going away or coupons being expired that you didn't know were going to expire, and it's just stuff like that. There's way more frustrations than just this, but they're real and they're things we're going to encounter from time to time as we coupon. So I wanted to provide some ways to kind of deal with it. That was the main point. That's why I called it dealing with the frustrations of couponing. Here's some ways to deal with it. Number one, and this was one my mom actually had to tell me this because I wasn't like hysterical or anything, but I was kind of upset about this deodorant. I was so excited to get it. My mom was like, you know what? There will be other deals later. There's gonna be a deal come around again, and it might not be on the same thing right away, but there's gonna be a deodorant deal again. And if it's not 100% free, it'll be pretty close. Deodorant's one of those things that go on sale, and we have coupons for them like constantly. So we'll get more deodorant deals. Okay, number 2. How much of this is in your stockpile now? If you didn't really 100% need it right now and you missed out, it's okay. No, I get it. I want it. Yeah, I have deodorant in my stockpile, but when they're giving me $6, like $5.50 deodorant for free, I'm not going to just sit it out because I have some already. I was going to get it. But thankfully, I wasn't in like a need to have the deodorant right now. So it's okay that I missed out. It would have been nice to have and I would have got it, but it's all right. At least I didn't have to pay full price for it. And this kind of goes hand in hand with the first one. There will be another deal, so I'll be able to get deodorant at a good price to replenish my stockpile eventually. But thankfully, I didn't have to replenish my stockpile yet. So missing out wasn't like, oh no, I'm going to have to go buy full price deodorant because I was in need of it. We still had enough to get us by. So ask yourself that question. If you missed out on a deal, and you're upset about it, do you still have some in your stockpile? So that might make you feel better that you don't have to pay full price for it and you didn't desperately need to buy it. And also, do not beat yourself up if you don't get every deal. This is kind of a side note, but I used to seriously, I've explained this before, on a weekly basis, I would go shopping at CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, Kmart, Walmart, Kroger, of course. Oh my gosh, I would be Dollar Tree, Dollar General. I would be going all over the place going couponing every single week when I first started, and it just got to a point like I can't do this anymore. Like I was going everywhere going couponing. And don't think you have to go chase every single deal. that is not even true. Let's say, oh my gosh, you can't get every deal. This was a great deal that I would have recommended everyone get if you could, but don't feel like it gets frustrating when you're running around to all those stores trying to get the deals. It's hard. So that's another one, try to scale back. If you running around and you're going to a bunch of stores every week is getting too hard on you, scale it back to the places, one or two places you think you do the best. And I'd honestly recommend Kroger there, not just because that's what I do all my videos on, but I think Kroger's one of the easier ones to coupon at. With all the sales they do, and it's a bigger store, so a lot of times you can find a lot of stuff there at Kroger on sale. Final tip here: if you ever are feeling frustrated, sometimes it helps to talk with people. So I know many times people comment on my videos letting me know about their bad experiences, and always feel free to do that. I'm here. I will read your comment and answer and try to make you feel better and try to help you come up with a solution on what to do. If there's a solution, I always try to help people figure it out. So feel free whenever, if you have a bad experience at the store or you're just feeling frustrated, let me know. Yeah, I'm here to listen, and many other people in the comments are listening and reading your comments. A lot of times, which I think is awesome, more people are starting to chat with each other in the comments, which is great. So feel free to always do that. So yeah, that is today's video. I just wanted to share my experience and how to deal with it. To let you know that Ohio Valley Couponer definitely has issues and frustrations with couponing at times as well. So you are not alone. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you face something similar with this whole checkout 51 thing today. This is really frustrating. Let me know if you got timed out on or whatever like I did as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.